Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayo and I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. On today's tutorial, I'll be drafting a very simple basic sleeve pattern. This pattern can be used to make any sleeve length of your choice, be it short sleeve, 3/4 sleeve length, elbow length sleeve or long sleeve pattern. It can also be drafted directly on your fabric. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I'll be working with the following items: ruler, curves, paper, scissors. Use a pencil to draft your pattern, but for tutorial purpose I'll be using my marker pen, calculator, tape rule, pattern paper. I'll be working with the following measurements: sleeve length 14 inches, bust circumference 39 inches, around sleeve or around arm measurement 11 inches. This is the pattern paper that I will be using for the drafting, and I've already drawn a margin of 2 inches at the top and on the left hand side of the pattern paper. I will now measure out my sleeve length, and my sleeve length is 14 inches. You can make yours longer or shorter than this. I will mark out the sleeve length starting from the top margin like this. It is 14 inches. I will now square out the line like this. So what I will do next is to calculate the cap height of my sleeve. And for the cap height, I will use the formula bust circumference divided by 12 plus 1.5 inches, which is 39/12 plus 1.5, which gave me 4.75 inches. Use your own measurements to calculate this. I will now mark this value downwards from the top margin. I will mark 4.75 like this. I will also square out the line. Now I will calculate the around armhole measurement. And this is calculated using the formula bust circumference all over 6 plus 1.5, which in my own case is 39 all over 6 plus 1.5, which is equal to 8 inches. I will now mark this value on the cap height line like this. I will mark 8 inches on the cap height line. I will join these 2 points together with my ruler. This will give me a slant. I will now divide this slanted line into 4 equal parts, into 4 equal sections. From this point, I will go up by half an inch. From this point, I will go down by half an inch also. I will now draw my curve using the half an inch as a guide. I will use my French curve for this. At the end of the sleeve, I will mark out my round sleeve measurement divided by 2. Your round sleeve measurement is the measurement around the hem of your sleeve. If your sleeve should reach your wrist, then you should measure around your wrist. If it's your elbow, you should measure around your elbow to get your around sleeve measurement. I will join these 2 points together with my ruler to give me a straight line. If you are working with a very slim person, or if you are slim, you can use a curve to join these 2 points together instead of a straight line. So this is the sleeve. This side should be cut on fold. If you are cutting this directly on your fabric, make sure that the fabric is on fold. I will now cut out my sleeve pattern. So that's it, guys. We are done with the pattern drafting. If you find this video helpful, kindly do well and subscribe, comment, like and share. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon in my next tutorial. Bye.